Hi, welcome back to Car Training. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to edit service request jobs from the service request list or from the service request itself. So if you're in the list and you know exactly which service request you'd like to change or add a job to, you can go to Action Edit, and it will bring you to the Edit Service Request sequence where you can add or remove a job as necessary. So we remove the brake job from this service request, and now we're back in the service request list. From an actual service request, on the top right-hand side, if you're in the fill recommendation page, you will notice Edit Request. If you click on Edit Request, it will also bring you to the same page to edit that service request and remove any jobs you may have added unintentionally. Going back into the service request, you can add any job from here by simply searching for it in our search box. Pressing Submit Jobs adds that job to the service request you're working on. Thank you for tuning into Car Training. Have a great day.